So this is the view from Lekki Chevron. You can see the road here where there's also this junction. You have traffic lights as well. I also imported the entire Lekki Chevron region into my computer. So in case you're an architect or a civil engineer and you want to figure out how to place your building model into like a real space, how it will actually be in real life, I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. So to do this, you're actually going to need your architectural model, your building model, whether in FBX or whatever format you normally have. You're also going to need access to internet connection. You're also going to need Twinmotion, maybe 2022, 2023, 2021. I think any version of Twinmotion actually does this. So you also need access to Google Maps and an internet connection. I think I already mentioned internet connection, but Google Maps basically. So what you want to do first is to go back to Google Maps and find the location where you want to import. So currently we can see Prince Ebano supermarket here and all other places in Lekki phase 1. So to do this in Twinmotion, first of all, I'm going to delete this starting base and for some reason delete the ground and the landscape as well. Which building we can go ahead to import from here? There's Christ of Rock of Ages International. So you can see a space. You can see a road and a group of buildings. You can import an urban street environment just like that, very simple into Twinmotion. Just go ahead and click download. Wherever the location you want to import, just select it on the map and then go ahead, click download and place. Once that's done, you're going to get your urban setting in here, and funny enough, on Twinmotion you can also change the material of this building. So you can go ahead and choose the material picker here. Just select one of the buildings. You can see the base context material. Just go over to materials and then find something you want. I'm just going to pick something like brick, clean brick, or let's try the dirty brick. Just drag that material over. It's going to take over the buildings, and this is how you can go about importing urban context into Twinmotion. And in here you can place your buildings in the real world setting where it would normally be in real life, and then have your environment all around it. And in this urban context you can still add vegetation like trees. You can bring on one into this place. You can go ahead and add trees. You can scatter them if you want. You can just add them in a particular pattern. You can also go ahead and add cars paths in place, bicycle vehicle paths. You can go ahead and choose where you want your cars to move around. For example, let's try this road like this. You can also add that little bit of realism into your building, into your environment where you're going to place your building. So it does help. And if you did find this video useful, do let me know in the comment section. To get Twinmotion, you need to go to twinmotion.com. You can see the licenses. There's Twinmotion Seat and Twinmotion for Unreal Engine subscription. Twinmotion is an architectural visualization software that you can, it's also an animation software, to be honest. It's an architectural visualization software you can use to create realistic renderings in real time for all your projects. You can bring them to life almost instantly. So it's free to use, but not for commercial purposes, so you have to be careful. You can use it for visualization and presentation purposes, free to use. So you can go ahead and click download. It's going to ask you to install the Epic Games installer. This is where you're going to install Twinmotion from. So go ahead and download the launcher and then get the Epic Games installer on, and through that you can use it to download Twinmotion from there. So once you're set up with the launcher, open the launcher. It's going to open Twinmotion in there, and then you can find it. If you have any more questions about Twinmotion and adding urban context, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you with those videos. For more Twinmotion and Revit tutorials like this, do well to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.